Welcome, friends. Today, we are excited to dive into the first chapter of our English Balbharti Class 5 Maharashtra Board syllabus. The poem we'll be exploring is called What a Bird Thought. This charming poem takes us on a journey with a curious bird as it discovers the world around it. Through its thoughts and experiences, we'll explore themes of growth, exploration, and the changing nature of our understanding as we read through the poem together. I encourage you to pay attention to the bird's thoughts and feelings. How does its perspective on the world change as it grows and explores? Let's begin our journey with the bird and see what insights we can gain from its thoughts. Please follow along with me as we read the poem together. I lived first in a little house and lived there very well. The world to me was small and round and made of pale blue shell. I lived next in a little nest, nor needed any other. I thought the world was made of straw and covered by my mother. One day I fluttered from the nest to see what I could find. I said, "The world is made of leaves. I have been very blind." At last I flew beyond the tree and saw the sky so blue. Now, how the world is really made, I cannot tell, can you? What a delightful poem! This poem is a charming and introspective exploration of growth, discovery, and the evolution of one's understanding of the world. Let me break it down for you. The speaker begins by describing their earliest experiences, living in a little house and then a little nest, where their world is small, cozy, and protected. They have a limited perspective, thinking the world is made of pale blue shell and straw, symbolizing a narrow and naive understanding. As they grow and venture out, they discover new things and their worldview expands. They flutter from the nest and find that the world is made of leaves, representing a broader and more vibrant reality. Finally, when they flew beyond the tree, they see the vastness of the sky and realize that their previous understanding was limited. The poem concludes with a sense of humility and wonder, acknowledging that the true nature of the world is still unknown. The poem explores themes of 1. Growth and development, 2. Expanding perspectives and understanding, 3. The limitations of one's knowledge, 4. The beauty and complexity of the world. The speaker's journey from a narrow to a broader understanding of the world is a powerful metaphor for human experience. The poem invites the reader to reflect on their own growth, discoveries, and the mysteries that still surround us. Thank you so much for joining me today as we explored the poem What a Bird Thought from our English Balbharti Class 5 Maharashtra Board syllabus. I hope you enjoyed our discussion and gained a deeper understanding of the poem's themes and meanings. If you liked this video, please don't forget to like our video, subscribe to our channel for more educational content, share this video with your friends and classmates. Your support means the world to us. Until next time, goodbye and happy learning. We'll meet again in our next video, where we'll explore more exciting topics and ideas. See you then. Remember to smile and be enthusiastic.